Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start in Settings, go straight to Display and locate Dark Mode. Tap the main toggle to enable System-Wide Dark. This flips System UI, Quick Settings, and many apps. Once done, make sure your current theme doesn't override system colors. If it does, switch to Default Theme. You're acting now to change core appearance. This is faster than tweaking each app. Keep an eye on status bar contrast so icons remain readable. Adjust brightness if needed. Once System Dark is on, open Dark Mode options to fine-tune how it applies. You can schedule automatic activation. Choose sunset to sunrise or pick custom hours like 22:00 to 07:00 so dark engages reliably. Next, tap App Exceptions or App Dark Mode and enable dark for apps that don't follow system settings. Also adjust contrast or style if available. Higher contrast helps readability on AMOLED. These steps ensure consistent. You're almost done. Restart any misbehaving apps so they load the new theme, and use the Quick Settings Dark tile for instant control. If some apps still display light UI, make sure they are updated. Then, as a last resort, enable Force Dark in developer options to invert incompatible UIs. If colors look wrong after forcing, clear the app cache or remove the app from exceptions. This troubleshooting tip fixes most edge cases quickly, so you get full dark mode everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.